Hi, I'm Mofa. I first joined Saatchi back in 2019 as an account executive. Now, 6 years later, I'm an account manager. I think I've been lucky enough to work with Indonesia's biggest unicorn, including Gojek, Tokopedia, and Traveloka, and help them during their global expansion in the market. And I've been also working with leading finance player in Indonesia like Julo, Bibit, and Bank BRI, and currently working with IKEA, the global leader brand of furniture industry. I think every industry has its own challenge, right? But the main thing is to identify the opportunity and how do we meet people where they are. That's why for the past few years, my main focus is to build a strategy where we are playing with innovative media placement and also surfing the right creative. The idea is to show up, but we are showing up with a purpose. And the other thing that is important is to focus on full funnel approach, where not only we are just driving impression, but also driving people to make a real action, turning the interest to trust and trust into real actionable item. Speaking into detail about my work with IKEA, right? I think it's more 360, where not only we are focusing on digital, but we also do offline measurement as well. So it's not just clicks as our target, but also driving a real visitation and real sales online and offline. The way we do it is we combine data insight and we optimize on the right channel. We also do some activation for IKEA. Essentially, what is important is to know what the people really want, and we know what IKEA can serve, and we help them serving the right creative with a lot more innovative idea that we can serve. What makes Jakarta team so special, I think, is our genuine sense of togetherness. Like, we ask question, we doesn't afraid to do something's wrong. We challenge each other, and we know that great things doesn't happen in silos. That's why our way of working is very collaborative, where we celebrate wins together, and whenever things get tough, we always support each other. So I think that's very special and create a safe environment where we as employee of Saatchi, we feel appreciated, we are heard, and that helps us to be brave enough to come up with innovative idea, to explore bolder ideas, and to experiment for the sake of our clients. I think having a global team is definitely a strength, where we can exchange ideas with global team. We can do experiment and bring a tested solution to our client even faster. Well, manage it into like still locally relevant.